Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for bathroom safety, the TAILI Shower Grab Bar. A 2-pack of 12-inch suction grab bars that promise to enhance your safety while bathing. This product is touted as the best bathtub grip, perfect for seniors, those with mobility issues, and anyone seeking a little extra support in slippery situations. The TAILI Shower Grab Bar combines functionality with a minimalist design, available in a sleek gray finish that seamlessly blends into any bathroom decor. Each bar features 2 strong suction cups with locking latches, ensuring a secure grip on smooth, non-porous surfaces like glass, tile, or acrylic. The installation process is refreshingly simple: no drilling, no screws, no damage to your walls. Just pull down the latches, and you're set in 5 seconds. Plus, if you ever need to relocate them, they're fully removable and reusable. But it's not just about ease of installation, safety is paramount. Each grab bar can support up to 240 pounds, making it robust enough for everyday use. The anti-slip strip on the handrail provides extra grip, helping to keep your hands secure even when wet. Its curved wave design is particularly accommodating for fingers, ensuring that you feel safe and stable when you need it most. Imagine stepping into the shower or bathtub after a long day. The last thing you want to worry about is slipping and falling. That's where the TAILI Shower Grab Bar comes in. It's designed for a wide range of users, from seniors and pregnant women to kids and anyone recovering from an injury. Whether you're lifting yourself into the tub or stabilizing yourself while showering, these grab bars offer a practical and convenient solution. You can install them in various locations: bathrooms, bathtubs, showers, toilets, and even in the kitchen for added support. The versatility makes them an excellent addition to any home, ensuring that safety is always within reach. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features. The TAILI Shower Grab Bar is constructed to last. It's waterproof, meaning it won't lose its effectiveness over time, even in humid bathroom environments. The anti-slip design not only enhances safety but also reassures users that they have a reliable support system. Additionally, TAILI emphasizes that these grab bars should only be used on smooth and airtight surfaces. It's important to avoid uneven tiles or porous materials for maximum safety and stability. When users first try the TAILI Shower Grab Bar, they often express relief at how easy it is to install and remove. Many appreciate the peace of mind that comes from having reliable support in the bathroom, significantly reducing the anxiety that can come with bathing, especially for older adults or those with limited mobility. If you're still unsure, TAILI backs their product with a warm-hearted service promise. Should you encounter any issues or have concerns, their customer service is ready to assist, ensuring you're satisfied with your purchase. In conclusion, if you're looking for a practical, safe, and stylish way to enhance your bathing experience, the TAILI Shower Grab Bar is definitely worth considering. It's not just about support, it's about confidence and safety in your own home. For anyone seeking to improve their bathroom safety, this product stands out as a top choice. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful reviews. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.